Yo.
So a while ago, I posted this wrap of me on social media and people went crazy. So I decided I'm going to do a DIY. Let's get into this wrap. Hey y'all, hey, it's time for another video today. So, as you can see by the title and by the picture, this is going to be a very quick video just to show you how to add a little pizzazz to your little wrap. Because my best friend and I, we were like, oh, we want to do the wraps in the mask or whatever. So we did it. I did not know everybody was going to be like, no, B, I want that one too. So I did make a couple of them, but excuse me, trying to find this fabric is so hard. I have bad allergies and I had a candle on too long, so now my throat. Don't worry, I ain't got no cocoa or nothing like that. So anyway, this is the wrap, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did. And all I did was add, it's not the wrap. This ain't even the wrap. That wasn't even my thing. This is what? All right, I'm back now. So yeah, cause it's mine and it's dirty. So this is just showing you guys what I did, which was just add a little pop of color. Now, of course, I'm gonna show you guys just how to put it on real fast, and of course the informational video will come on. But I'm going to show you guys what it's like with the mask. So I decided to actually do this informational part first. So the materials, of course, is whatever color you want on the end. And then, of course, your main fabric. Now, this add-on part is what I'll be calling it. That is, width is 3.5 inches. Let me say this. It doesn't matter if it's thinner or thicker. It depends on you. And you'll see what I mean at the end. And then the length of that is going to be 50 inches. Now, the width and length of the wrap, I always do 22 inches, and then the length of it is always 69. Get your little mind out the gutter and stuff. But yeah, so this I have realized, even with short hair, long hair, whatever you want, I feel that 69 inches is more than enough. So what you're going to do is simply place this your little, what you call a little extra little piece, right sides together. And what we're going to do is just simply sew along that little edge because we're just simply attaching them. Okay. So bam, that is I told y'all we're going right on through this. So again, remember guys, ironing is extremely important. You can iron two ways. You can either turn it over or do like I do, the lazy way, and just iron. Now, I mean, look at the difference. Can you see it? Bam. So this is why ironing is so important, guys. I'm going to say this on every DIY because you need to iron. Get that string. Thank you, girl. Because that was bothering my OCD. So once you iron this, you will see how crisp and how pretty it is. And it's, I mean, you could do any kind of color, whatever. Yeah, I left a little salvage. It's fine, girl. So then what you're going to do is now go around this entire thing and serge this. Now, I know some of y'all are like, but Trinity, I ain't got no serger. Oh, we still going around? Okay. We going around, right? But you don't have a serger. So what you can do is flip in and flip one more time. Oh, my mama calling me. Hold on. I know you got to answer mama call, or she is going to keep calling until you answer. So let me explain something to you guys. Remember, this is going to be all flipped in anyway. So, of course, you do want to sew it so you don't have that rough edge. But if you want to do the little heat bond or whatever you want to do, you can totally just go with all this. So now I'm just going to show you guys how mine is serged all the way around. I did not care about the color of the serging because, again, you'll see that that piece is tucked in. And boom, you're done. So, all right, I was struggling with that mask. Now, let me tell you guys this about this mask. With the wrap, you probably want to use elastic if you have it. So what you're doing is you're going to take the green part. The green part is going to be at the bottom of your head, like so, like this. That's not mine. That's that cooking lady who's amazing. But what you're going to be doing is twisting. I forgot to twist all my hair in. And what you're doing, people are always concerned with the fabric, you know, not having a lining. You can do a lining, but you don't need. You can even, you know, tuck. But look at that. Can we get into that? You can tie that if you want and then tuck it underneath. Look at that wrap. How beautiful is that? Oh, wait, I'm coming back. So I want to show you guys what it would look like if you decided to pull more of the green out. Same concept, we're just simply twisting, but look at that, how you can have the thicker green. And it gives you everything you need. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, put on that notification bell and all that stuff, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm out. I swear I'll be going back and I look like, why nobody told me the little piece of hair was just sticking out? Whatever the case, I hope y'all enjoyed this video.